I'm going to go over the answers to the Keq PreLab worksheet. So first off, it's asking about if we have a 2 milliliters of the 0.0002 molar SCN and it's diluted to 10 milliliters, what's the new concentration? And the key word there is diluted. So if we take something and add water to it and make a dilution, all we have to use is our dilution formula, and that's volume times molarity equals volume times molarity. After that point, we just kind of plug in our numbers. So we have 2 milliliters of our 0.0002 molar SCN minus solution. We have 10 milliliters total when we're done. So find the new volume, and we just do a little algebra. So, we get x by itself, and then I get 0.00004, or we could write that down as 4.0 times 10 to the negative 5 molar. Either answer would be great. Second part is after we get our calibration curve, then we can kind of see what's happening is since we are starting with 0, okay, as our calibration point, then our other numbers are going to be proportional to each other. So as we double the concentration, then we're going to double the absorbance that we would see. So we can set this problem up just as a proportion. And we're saying if 0.02 molar FeSCN has a absorbance of 0.56, then what would be the concentration if we only had an absorbance of 0.32? So we just cross multiply, get x by itself, we're dividing both sides, and I get an answer here of 0.0114 molar, which we would probably round that off to two significant figures and see 0.11 molar. Okay, the third one, here's our standard icebox problem, and we're saying that in the problem we are told that the FeSCN concentration is 0.001, the SCN minus concentration is 0.0001, and using our colorimetry we can find out that the FeSCN concentration is 0.000050 molar. So since in the beginning we did not mention that we had any FeSCN, then we know that that's concentration 0. We can find the change, okay, from 0 to 0.00005. And then since it's a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio, this is plus 0.005 and these two are minus 0.005. We just do our adding straight down. Then here's our expression, FeSCN over Fe3 plus and SCN minus. We substitute in our values, and I get 1052.63, which I round off to 1100. The last little piece of this says, consider this reaction, okay, and if we were to really add a lot of Fe3 plus, then that would drive this reaction forward to the point, it says, what is the approximate SCN minus concentration after the shift? It would be essentially 0 molar. And what that really means is that for every mole of SCN minus would turn into a mole of FeSCN. So we can figure out for ourselves what the concentration of the FeSCN is for our standard solutions. And that's what is in this PreLab worksheet.